In this video, I'm going to show you not one, not two, but 3 different ways to reset your Sony Bravia TV. Whether you're dealing with an older model or the latest one, I've got you covered. We'll look at the traditional menu-based reset, the quick power reset, and even how to reset your TV if your remote is missing or not working. Think resetting is tough? Think again. I'll guide you through each method, making it super easy and fun. In no time, your Bravia will feel just like it did the day you unboxed it. Excited to get your TV back to its glory days? Stay with me till the end and let's get started. Method 1. Reset older Sony Bravia models. Alright, let's start with resetting older Sony Bravia models. It's a simple process, so just follow along with me. First things first, grab your remote. Got it? Great! Now hit the home button. It's usually the button with a little house icon on it. You'll see your TV's main menu pop up on your screen. Next, we're going to navigate to the settings menu. Use your remote's arrow keys to move through the menu. Once you're in settings, look for the option that says customer support. Found it? Awesome, select that. Now you'll see a few options under customer support. What we're interested in is the factory settings. Scroll down until you find it. This is the magic button that will reset your TV to the way it was when you first got it out of the box. Once you click on factory settings, your TV will ask if you're sure about this. It's like asking, are you really sure? So if you're ready, go ahead and select yes. And then, guess what? It'll ask you one more time, just to be extra sure. Select yes again. And there you have it. Your TV will now start the reset process. It's like giving your TV a fresh start. Everything will go back to how it was when you first unboxed your Sony Bravia. Remember, this means you'll need to set up your channels, Wi-Fi, and any custom settings again. Resetting newer Sony Bravia models, okay? Friends, let's talk about resetting those newer Sony Bravia TVs. It's really easy, trust me. Here's what you do. Start off by pressing the home button on your remote. This is like opening the door to all the cool stuff your TV can do. Once you see the main menu on your screen, look for settings. It's probably going to be a little gear icon or something like that. Click on it. In the settings menu, you won't need customer support this time. Instead, keep an eye out for something called Storage and Reset. Inside Storage and Reset, there's an option called Factory Data Reset. It's a fancy way of saying, let's clean up everything and start fresh. Click on that. Now, your TV will ask if you really want to erase everything. Think of it as your TV making sure you're sure. Go ahead and choose Erase Everything. Finally, you'll need to confirm your choice. Just hit yes, and your TV will start clearing out all the old stuff. It's like giving your TV a brand new start. And that's it. Your TV will do its thing for a bit, cleaning up and getting ready to be set up all over again. It's like getting a brand new TV right out of the box. Method 2. Simple factory reset. Let's go through a really easy way to reset your Sony Bravia TV. Just follow these simple steps. First things first, unplug your TV from the power outlet. Just pull the plug out and leave it like that for a minute. It's like giving your TV a quick break. After waiting for a minute, plug your TV back into the power outlet. Easy, right? Now grab your remote. You need to press and hold the up arrow button. But here's the important part. Make sure you point your remote towards the TV while you're doing this. It's like telling your TV to listen up because you're about to give it an important command. While you're still holding that up arrow button on your remote, reach out to your TV. You need to press and release the power button on the TV itself. This button is usually right under the Sony logo or around the backside. It's like the secret handshake between your remote and your TV. After you do this, look at your TV screen. You should see a little reset message pop up in the lower left corner. This is your TV's way of saying, got it, I'm resetting now. Method 3. Reset without remote. Hey guys. If your remote is missing or just not working, don't sweat it. Resetting your Sony Bravia TV is still a piece of cake. Here's how you do it. First off, let's unplug your TV. Just pull the power cord out from the wall. This is like giving your TV a quick power nap. Now you need to find the power button and the volume down button on your TV. You're probably wondering, where are these buttons? Well, they're usually hiding right under the Sony logo or around the backside of the TV. Have a peek under the logo or flip around to the back and you'll spot them. Got them? Great. Now press and hold both the power and volume down buttons together. It's a bit of a stretch, but you can do it. While you're holding these buttons, get someone to help you plug the TV back into the power outlet. Or if you're doing this solo, carefully plug it back in yourself. Remember, keep holding those buttons. Keep your eyes on the TV screen. When you see the Sony logo light up, that's your signal. You can let go of the buttons now, and just like that, your TV is resetting itself. Once it's done, you'll have a fresh start with your Sony Bravia, all set for a new setup, no remote needed. That's it for this video. We hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.